Alright guys, so welcome back, and today meron naman tayong panibagong isang convenient way when you're traveling, okay? So if you're traveling right now around the world and gusto mo or wala kang SIM card or electronic SIMs, then this video is probably for you. So today we have Less SIM, okay? Nagprovide sila ng, we provide compliant and stable Hong Kong mobile numbers. And guys, don't get me wrong, this is not only for Hong Kong users, okay? Pwede nyo siyang gamitin because they support a lot of countries around the world. So, hindi ko na siya patatagalin, sa tara na. Let's go! Ayan. Welcome back. And yun nga guys, so right now we are at lessim.me. Ito yung pinaka-website nila, and basically itong Lessim is we provide compliant and stable Hong Kong mobile numbers. So basically dun yung numbers nila. Supports one-click registration and verification for various global services including Google Mail, WhatsApp, YouTube, and Facebook, as well as SMS receiving and roaming data. Ayan guys, so Lessim product and service introduction. So meron sila ditong international SIM card plan. Guys, mapapakita ko sa inyo yan guys kung paano siya nag-work. I will show it you in a bit, okay? Dedicated Hong Kong phone numbers, full SMS support, universal platform compatibility, reliable long-term stability, and USDT payments. So kapag magpe-pay kayo dito, if you decided to get one, you can easily use USDT lang naman, okay? Supports nilang Google, Telegram, WhatsApp, FB, IG, and WhatsApp. Okay, ano ba yan? What's up, Ben? Basahin yan, okay? Sorry, SMS, okay. And syempre, meron sila ditong in-offer na global eSIM data services, international SIM solutions, cross-border number support, and instant activation and online management. And syempre din nakalagay dito, connect the world, start with Lessim. Lessim servers, users in over 130 countries, guys, and regions worldwide with total of more than 350,000 registered users. So our services cover a wide range of scenarios including travel, cross-border work, e-commerce, and social media operations. So if you've decided na, nakita nyo na, alam na natin kung ano nga ba si Lessim. Now, let us proceed to sign up pag wala parang account. So meron tayo dito ng account guys. Ilagay nyo lang dito yung inyong email, username. So kapag nakapaglagay kayo ng email, kung gaya ganyan, isa-send nyo lang tong send verification code. So once na mag-send na kayo dyan, ilalagay nyo lang code nyo para makapag-input kayo ng username. Ayan guys, password, confirm password, and yung referral code guys. May ilalagay po akong referral code dan sa, ilagay ko na lang dito sa ating screen. So make sure to use it para meron na rin kayo makuha na discounts. And yun guys, meron tayong discount dito. Sabihin ko mamaya pagdating sa dulo, okay? And syempre, okay na yan. So, magla-login tayo dyan and basically, log in na lang po tayo. Okay? Now, kapag napag-login na kayo, mapupunta kayo dito, guys. So, yung pinaka-Lessim website. So, meron ditong eSIM or electronic SIMs, guys. And, of course, yung SIM card. So, focus muna tayo sa eSIM. Mamaya, pakita ko sa inyong SIM card. So, sa Asia nila, meron silang Bahrain, Iraq, Philippines, India, Vietnam, Hong Kong, Singapore, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, China, Malaysia, Thailand, Israel, and syempre marami pang iba. Hindi ko na ilalahatin yan guys, but basically they have Asia, Europe, ayan, katulad nito, and North America, South America, Africa, Oceania, and multi-region. Okay, but yun nga guys, mag-focus tayo sa Philippines. Okay, sa Philippines, meron, kunwari, if you are kapag hindi ka taga Philippines and you're a foreigner, you can use the Philippines and click mo lang yung desired country mo. For example, Philippines, then pili ka lang dito. Okay, may mga plans sila dito, and of course, may mga plan details din sila. For example, i-check natin tong 180 days na 50 GB. I-click mo lang yan, and then click mo muna yung plan details para makita mo yung details nitong plan na to. So basically, this eSIM plan includes data only, no phone number included. So please activate your data plan within 30 days after expiration. The order cannot be used or refunded. During the validity period, network service will stop when data is used up, and data can only be used locally in the countries covered by the plan. Yun lang po yan. And basically, ito yung pinaka-price niya and ito magagamit mo yan. 180 days, 50 GB. Okay. So, ayun yun. And of course, may most popular din sila dito, mga mura-mura lang naman. If you're just staying for a day, pwede nyo gamitin yan, okay? And syempre, meron tayo itong SIM card, guys. Pwede nyo gamitin yan. Hindi pa gano'ng kadami yung available sa SIM card nila. But, for example, ito, try natin itong Singapore or Japan. Kunwari, pupunta tayo Japan. You can use this, ito. Sa SIM guys nila, covers one region. So, Japan, ayan. So, 63.95 po. Ayan. 30 GB. And the plan details nila is this one. So, this includes not only data but also Hong Kong phone number for receiving free SMS. So, if gagamit ka ng SMS, you can use this plan. Again, guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung sa eSIM, they don't have SMS. Wala silang phone number. Sa SIM card, meron po silang SMS and phone number. Magkaiba po ang eSIM at SIM card. Okay? And lahat naman po dyan, you will see the plan details. So, make sure to read it carefully para hindi kayo mahirapan. Okay? And the limited SMS, please activate. Basically, gano'n lang din naman siya. Ang pinagbago lang nito, meron lang silang SMS. And guys, don't get me wrong, SMS is very important in some place. Okay? Kailangan mo talaga nun, hindi lang yung mga GB. Okay? And this is, guys, for you guys kapag ikaw ay magta-travel. So, if you're traveling right now, then this video is for you. Okay? So, try natin. Okay, ulit tayo. Try natin sa Vietnam. Then, pili tayo ng plan. Kunwari, itong 1 GB for 5 days. And yung plan details, make sure to check it out. Ito. Then, click mo lang itong buy now. And then, agree, confirm payment. Select a coupon, guys. Coupon, okay. May coupon kayo dito, guys. Make sure to use coupon para makukuha yun ang mababawasan yan, guys. Again, may ilalagay po ako dito sa screen natin. There will be coupon and code. Gamitin nyo po yan for 20% off dito. Okay? Siyempre, confirm payment nyo lang to. Return policy nila is this one. Make sure to check it out na rin. Okay? And siyempre, confirm payment. And then, mapupunta po kayo sa payment method. Now, paano nga ba tayo magpe-payment method? Now, in payment method, click nyo lang itong pay now. Then, mapupunta kayo sa payment link. Okay? Pwede kayong mag-payment method na USDT using BNB Smart Chain, Tron, or Ethereum. But if I were you, I suggest na gamitin yung Tron or BNB Smart Chain kasi mas mura po ang mga fees sa BNB Smart Chain and Tron kasi sa Ethereum malaki ang fee dan. Kapag okay na yan, then basically you're all good to go. Mapupunta na sa inyo yung plan ninyo and goods na, di ba? Mapupunta na yan. So, ganun yung sa eSIM. Okay, check naman natin yung sa SIM card. Singapore. Click tayo ng plan, buy now. And then, return, agree. Coupons. Kailangan maglagay kayo ng coupon. Again, guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, meron tayong code dyan. You can use it para makakuha ng coupon. Confirm payment. And then, basically, mapupunta lang ulit kayo dito. Okay, dito lang ulit yan. USDT, BNB Smart Chain, Tron, Ethereum. Again, I suggest gamitin yung dalawa dito. Ano man din yan, kung mas mababa ang fee, use it. Okay? Kapag okay na po yan, basically, you're all good to go. Meron ka ng eSIM or SIM card depending on what you've choose. Okay? Now, anong sunod natin dito, guys? So, basically, yun lang naman siya. Ganun lang din naman yan. And, napakadami nilang plans that they are offering. So, sa eSIM, sa SIM card, marami na rin yan. And sa eSIM, marami din silang mga plans na ino-offer dito. Basically, you're just free to choose kung anong gusto mong gamitin or bilhin. And, ayun nga guys, meron din sila dito English and Hong Kong sa kanilang language. And pag tinignan dito guys, sa inyong profile, may makikita dito My Orders. Ayan, makikita nyo dito yung mga unpaid and paid nyo na may mga gifted guys. Pwede kayo mag-gifted. And basically, meron ditong My Coupons, guys. Meron din dito, nagamit na natin. And of course, yung inyong invitation. So guys, ano ba yung invitation? Basically, it's just a referral okay? Mag-invite ka ng 1 friend, then may 10% coupon ka. 2 friend, 20% coupon. 3 friends, 30%. Then sa 2 friend pala, 20%. And sa 4 friend is 50% off. And guys, make sure to use my invitation code para magkaroon po kayo ng coupon dan pag nakapaggawa na kayo. Again, guys, this is LessSim. I'm Cheese Gaming. Maraming salamat po. Happy traveling. Enjoy guys. Bye bye.